Hi, third graders. Today we're going to take a look at the first aid section in our health books. Have you ever been injured or seen someone injured? Did you know what to do? For a serious injury, the most important thing you can do is get help. At school, tell a teacher. At home, tell a family member or another adult. If you can't find an adult, call 911. You can treat minor injuries with simple first aid. For a cut or scrape, wash the injury with clean drinking water. Don't put soap on the injury. Next, clean the area around the injury with mild soap and a washcloth. Then cover the injury with a clean bandage. Tell a parent or another adult about the cut as soon as possible. Never touch another person's blood or anything with blood on it. If a person is bleeding, get help. You can also treat insect stings with simple first aid. Scrape out, don't pull the stinger. Wash the injury. Put ice or a cold pack on it for a few minutes. If you have trouble breathing, feel sick to your stomach, or get dizzy, tell an adult or call 911 immediately. Choking is an emergency that also needs immediate attention. If you're choking near other people, make the universal choking sign. Look at the boy in the picture. The universal choking sign is grasping the throat with both hands. That means a person is choking and it needs help. If you're alone, place your fist above your navel, grab your fist with your other hand, then pull your hands in and up with quick, hard thrust. If this doesn't work and it's hard to breathe, get help.